Hello everyone, I am teacher Anna and today I'm here to talk to you about food. Yummy, right? When we talk about food in English, we usually use the verb like. I like oranges, yummy. And the negative, don't like. I don't like hot dogs, yuck. To ask other people's opinion about food, you can ask the questions. Do you like vegetables? The person will say, yes, I do, if they think it's yummy, or no, I don't, if they don't like it ill. But now, imagine I am talking to you about my friend Emma. And then I tell you that Emma likes chocolate. Of course, every woman likes chocolate, right? And then you want to know Emma's opinion about fruit. So how do you ask me that question? Well, you ask me, does Emma like fruit? Does Emma like fruit? Why do I use does here and not do? Because Emma is a girl, she. Remember the rule for third person singular? Yes, the same way that in the affirmative sentence I use the as here. Right now I'm going to use the as here and thus. So, should I put the as here like? No, it's not necessary because the S is already here. Okay? And how can I answer that question? I'm going to say to you, yes, she does. Emma likes fruit very much. Now, imagine, Emma actually doesn't like it. So how can I answer that question in the negative way? I'm going to say, no, she doesn't. The contraction of does not. No, she doesn't. Now imagine we're talking about two different people. My sister Stephanie and my brother Bob. Stephanie and Bob like pizza very much. So if you ask me the question, do they like pizza? I will answer, yes they do. Pay attention here. We're talking about two people, Stephanie and Bob. They. So I'm gonna ask you using do. Do they like pizza? Yes, they do. Now, since Stephanie and Bob are very much alike, they both don't like fruit. Can you believe that? They don't like fruit. Yeah, my God. So if you ask me the question, do Stephanie and Bob like fruit? I'm gonna have to say to you, no, they don't. That's the negative, right? No, don't. Okay? So, this is how we form sentences in the present simple tense. If you're using the people I, you, we, they, in the affirmative sentence we say we like meat. In the negative, they don't like meat. If you're talking about a third person, singular, he likes meat. She doesn't like meat. It doesn't like meat. Now, to ask questions, yes or no questions, we're going to need the auxiliaries do and does. For the people I, you, we, they, we ask the question, do we like cheese? Do they like cheese? Do you like cheese? Do I like cheese? To answer those questions, we're going to say, yes, I do, or no, they don't. For example, do Stephanie and Bob like cheese? Yes, they do. Do Stephanie and Bob like cheese? No, they don't. But if I asking you about your mother, for example, I'm gonna have to use does. Does she like cheese? Or your father, does he like cheese? I'll put the S here, but not here, remember that? And to answer those questions, I'm gonna say, yeah, she does, or no, she doesn't. Can you see that the answer obeys the question? The auxiliary we use in the question is the auxiliary we use in the short answer. Okay? What if I want to ask a general question, not a yes or no question, like a what question? How can I form that question? If you're asking me, you can ask me, what do you like to eat? Obeying the same sequence. Auxiliary, subject, verb. Just include the what before it. I'm going to give you an answer. For example, I like to eat hamburgers. If you ask me about my mom, you're gonna have to use what does your mom like to eat? Gonna use does now. And I'll answer you. She likes to eat salad. Look at the S here. Okay. That's it for today. Goodbye.